Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review on the Lime Crime Venus Extra Small. This is called the Holly Daze. It's this palette right here. I couldn't see it because it was like small. I didn't want to say Molly Daze, but yeah, this is the Holly Daze Venus Extra Small palette. This is the colors. So if you want to see how my look is going to turn out, keep on watching. And also don't forget to subscribe and all that. Alright, so I have my eyes primed. I have the P. Louise eye base in the 0.5 shade. Next I'm going to go in with this tan color. This is called Prancer. If I'm saying it wrong, forgive me. But I'm going to dip into that shade. Alright, so I applied the shade to both of my eyes. Next, I think I should just probably cut my crease. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this color quite yet, but for right now, I'm just going to cut my crease because I put that color on my lid and it just disappeared into it. So it showed, but it was like too chalky for my skin tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease real quick. I've been wanting to like move my cut creases over some. Since I have a lot of eye space, I'm like, why not try to use it all? So next I'm going to go in this awkward green color and use that to like help dry out my my base. So I think I'm going to go in with this green first and then this white and then blend it out with this shade. I think it'll flow better if I do it that way. So this part's probably going to be a speak through. Kind of cute. I wish I had a white eyeliner, but it's all dried out and yeah, sad. So I'm going to go ahead. I think this look deserves a wing. Yeah, it deserves a wing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, I'm back. I finished my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my mascara. I'm not going to do an under eye with this look because these colors, I don't have any dark mattes. So, I'm just going to do my mascara. And I'm going in with what I always use, which is the Stila. This right here. So next I am going to do my lips. Ooh. So I recently made a purchase online on Sephora and they had, I hate when I'm talking and I'm looking the other way. But anyway, they had a clearance sale. They had the Kat Von D's on sale, a couple of them. They did not have my favorite pink shade, which is Double Dare, but they did have this color called Noble. And then I always use this Crucifix Brown, and I'm using my MAC pencil, so I'm going to be using that, and we're going to see how this is going to turn out. Never used it before, but I'm going to use it right now. back. This is the final look. Hopefully you guys liked it. I actually like how it turned out. This is cute. This is really, really cute. So I don't have any cons with the palette at all. I love the color scheme of it. I made all the colors work. I used every shade in the palette. I do highly recommend it. But yeah, I really like this palette. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs me up. If you want to see more videos, please feel free to subscribe, like. Y'all be safe and see y'all later. Bye.